What's up, everyone? My name is Dixon, founder of Constant Development and special projects designer for Pencil Academy. And today, I'll be sharing some sketching tips for your submission for the Diversity by Design for the VF Corp class. You have some options. You can go online and download the templates and use those, to establish the right proportions. Or if you have the confidence, you can just do it yourself. Today, I'll be using the North Face running silhouette, and let's get into it. So first things first, we want to establish our ground line. It's already there, but let's just make it more defined so we can actually see that design sitting on a flat surface. We don't want any floating shoes. So next, we're going to look at what type of silhouette we want to use. So our template is a low top, but I think I want to go in a mid-top direction. So let's make that happen. Like I said before, you can use the templates, but as you can see, I'm using the templates, but I'm not using it 100%. I'm kind of establishing my own silhouette, which makes my design unique from the actual template that we provide. So next, I'm going to establish what the midsole and the outsole will look like. Knowing I want to go into a rugged, more outdoor feel, I'm gonna make sure that I start applying these lugs at the bottom of the outsole, just to show that it can handle any terrain. I'm gonna expose some of the midsole, but you know that the rubber is definitely the hero in this design. Meaning the first thing that you look at when you see this design. As I continue to add the lugs to the sidewall, it's going to make my design look very aggressive. So I'm gonna have to start thinking about the balance that the upper should have as the midsole and the tooling take shape. So now that I have my tooling and my midsole established, I'm looking at a nice balance between the midsole and outsole and the upper. So my toe cap and my heel are probably gonna be a little bit more subtle, so it could be a nice balance. Okay, now that we have our toe cap and our heel counter, let's think about the lacing system. Since this is an outdoor type of shoe, and it has a knit upper, let's think about the lacing going to the rear to keep them out of the way. So as I add lace loops, we're going to start adding the laces as well, making sure those laces go over the top of the vamp and through the lace loops. This way, it looks like the laces are doing what it's supposed to be doing, keeping that foot locked in. I'm going to add a toggle so that lace can be cinched and tightened and secure, and definitely out of the way for that runner to make some strides. All right. Now that we have our tooling, our toe cap, our heel counter, our lacing system, let's start to add some detail to show what kind of knit material could actually work with this, this design. So I just added the collar line, showing that this material can actually stretch open. Easy point of entry is key with slip-on shoes. So to make that even more functional, I'm going to add a pull tab to the heel and to the front. Now, this will really help you get into that shoe. All right, and I think we're at a really good point with our sketch. Feel free to start adding the details with preparation and different things like that to show materials and add your own style. Line weight, it goes a long way with sketching. I could spend a lot more time on this sketch to make it dolled up and cute, but I think I'm at a good point where I'm gonna just sign it up and get feedback from those that I trust the most. I wish you all the best on your submissions, and until next time, peace.